Pass out. Do a little bit, just adjust. Okay, this hole is too shallow. I need to drill a little bit deeper. A little bit deeper. Drilling this one. Yeah, it's working now. Cross. Let's cross out. This one should be a little bit easy. Not working very well. I still need to drill a little. For the designing, so I still need to drill a little bit. Try again. Should be working. No, it's working. So basically, the most important ones, these is kind of too shallow. Okay, I need to do these two. Actually, I drilled this one minutes ago, and also drill a little bit, just a little bit deeper, just a little. So.
People on the stove up and down, up and
So this side. Working out. Beautifully finished. Okay. Let's go to step 17. Step 17, we just find items 11. I guess item 11 is still in the box 2. I guess so. Let's find out. It's so in the box there's still a little bit a few boards. Let me see if it's 11 or not. Let me see. It's 11. It's not labeled. Oh, this is the last piece in this box 2. Oh, it's not labeled. Okay, not labeled. Let's put it here. That's 21. No, please. There's 11. That's 30. And that's 19. I guess this is 11, even though it's not labeled, because this is the biggest piece. Let's try it, okay?
Okay.
Let's take it to the room and let's find out. Let's install the 11. Item 11 is not labeled, so if you look at this board, okay, you can see 3 rows of holes, right? That's top rows, middle rows, and the bottom rows. Okay, make sure the bottom rows, these bottom rows holes are very close to the edge, so make sure it's going down. Okay, it's going down.
Going down?
Yes. Go like this way. It's gonna be very awkward. See? It's very awkward. I'm gonna explain to you guys, okay? So As you can you see this corner? Even though this piece extended beyond this slot, even a little bit, there are not enough space for this board. So that's why it's difficult to put it in. Okay. It's really nuts. This side, very smoothly. Because as you can see, very smoothly. Okay, let's try our best.
Why I need to repot it?
Okay.
Look, I don't need to.
Alright, let's try. Okay. Even if there's not enough space, what's gonna happen is it's gonna get out. Okay. Stupid. As you can see, the second here, right? That piece still extended a little beyond that slot, so we don't have much space for this board. This is really annoying, you know. But we will figure it out. Now look at this. Okay. So it's like curved because this side is not fitting. Let me see what I can do. I guess I did it. You know what? You kind of, if it is curved, right, you can just flat this side first and push unflat it this board, and the board will squeeze into that slot. Okay. As you can see, item 11 is okay. So why this side should be down? Probably it's gonna use screw. So I need to probably use screw to yeah, we're gonna put the screws to tighten this this edge. Now it's step 18. So step 18 basically, just like I said, we're gonna use a mini screw to fixing this piece of board. It's item N, 22 pieces. Okay, that's M. Item N, 22 pieces. I guess the whole back is 22. Yeah, I think so. So let's get started. I better just start in the middle because, as you can see, this is long board. It's easy to curve. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 holes. So I'm gonna start with these 2 holes. Okay. Make sure, because the board is really long, or I probably need to hold this board. Okay, to hold this board, I just use this piece of wood. So I just use this piece, just hold it like this, and then I just use my. This is awkward. Alright, I finished these two. Not that perfect. You can still see a little bit curving, but it's okay. Let's finish all the holes. Last one. A bit more space. Alright. These three. Let my daughter help me because she's kind of bored. Right. And then we fasten. So this one. So that's the bottom row. I finished all of them. And let's start with the second. The middle row. Middle row, let me see. Hopefully it's there in the middle. Alright, let's get started. Alright. Okay. This one.
Then we have more. 5 more there.
5. Go. This one. So it's last one. This one. This. These two, okay. As you can see on this side, you can see the light, right? Because there is no wood on that side, on the other side. So we're gonna start with top rows, okay? Top rows. Thank you. My daughter just helped me. Let's start with this one. Finish the two. This one. So good.
One.
Yeah, that's a lot. None. So it's not made of pure wood. It's actually it's paper. We finish all of them, okay?
Pepper. Why is it made of pepper?
Or like old. Let's start with step. You remember we started with these two pieces. So we're gonna start. We finished the 1 and 6. We just need to find item 8. Okay, item 8 and 2 pieces A 4 pieces of D and 4 pieces of G. Okay, let's get started.
What?
So box 2 is empty now. Let's be organized and just put them in the backyard. All right. Box 2. Can you open the door for Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right. Just put it here. We're gonna clean up later, okay?
See you.
Okay. We need to find item 8.
8.
Yeah, item 8.
8.
It is 8.
No. This is A. I. This is. This.
Yeah, that's 8. See it? Item 8. I found it. Let's take it to the room. Okay. Put it here. Okay. Okay, item 8 is here. Okay, this is item 8. Item 8 is gonna go this way. Just like that piece, okay. This higher end is on this side, okay. Lower end on the other side, okay. So now I'm gonna put these 3 pieces together, assemble them. Okay, let's get started. To assemble them, right, I just need 2 pieces of A, 4 pieces of G, and 4 pieces of D. Okay, let's get started. I'm assembling the 3 and 8 first, okay. Make sure this edge is down. So first, same thing, okay, we just did this before. So cross out, and then you go this way, go that way. Yes, small one, yes, great job.
Here.
Thank you. So, as you can see, it's kind of easy. I just use right, just use hands, just like screw in. See, it's kind of easy, and then you can fasten it. You don't have to, but just like this, okay. And then I'm gonna go this one. Go like this. Yeah, and then make it tight. Tighten it. This is like IKEA thing. So same this side. Okay, I'm assembling these two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you folding?
Yes.
Here.
So first, put a piece A in the middle hole, this hole, okay, and then You do this. Ow. Don't let it move. Oh. Expect this. Okay, it's in. Okay. Use this top one. And still, this going this side. Going through that hole. Okay.
Cheese. 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 Cheese.
Okay.
Cheese.
Very smoothly.
Cheese.
Just need to
Cheese.
fasten it.
Cheese. And cheese.
Tighten it.
Cheese and cheese. Cheese and cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Step 20, just put them together. So I just do a little bit here. And then we're ready to put them together. Okay.
No.
Step 21. We can assemble them together. We just need 4 pieces of F. Okay, 4 pieces of F. Yes, F is still in this bag. Yes, that's F. Let's get it. 4 pieces of F. Okay, let's go. All right, we just need to, this is the lower end. This frame has a hole here. You just need to use this screw going through this hole and fasten into this little hole, okay, in the lower end. So let's do it. Let's do it at the same time. Going through that hole and this also the same. Okay, let's get started.
Daddy, I'm a superhero.
Yes, superhero.
Yeah.
First, you can just use hand until you cannot use hand. Tighten it, and then you can just do this. Okay. It's a little bit. I think this is a very good design. Tighten it, make it very tight. Very tight. We're going to do the same to the other side. Go to this side. Okay, this way. Right. This side of this. Same, okay.
Wow.
Oh, this side, as you can see, the upper one is here. Lower one is here. Okay. Use up one first. Sure. Sure, it's right in the hole. Lower one is here.
Are you trying to fix the bed? I did bring something. Where are you? Yeah. Where are you?
I think this one.
Daddy, I like color blue. I just like color blue.
Yeah. You like it blue?
Yeah.
So we're gonna paint this bed into blue.
Yeah. But we don't have colors.
You mean paint?
I think.
We don't have to. I think this original color is good.
Daddy,
But if you want to, let's do it. Okay.
I want the color blue. Just like this little S. Just like the clothes.
Okay. Oh, we know this is S. Good job. This up one. Just fasten it. Tighten it. Let's finish this step. Okay. The whole thing looked like this. Very good. Step 22. We just need 20 pieces of K and 4 pieces of E. And many pieces of 35. 35, I guess they're not labeled. So 35
Daddy,
and 34s and a few legs. 30. Okay. Good. Let's go find them. 4 legs here. 4 legs. That's 32. Okay, 32. 4 legs right here. Even though they are not labeled, they are 32. Okay, and 4 pieces of 34. 34s are those ones have holes in the middle. This is 34, another 34, another 34, and another 34. Okay, that's 4 pieces of 34. I guess we have 6 pieces of 35, I think. Okay, that's 34. Put these together. 6 35. These are 35s. Okay, 6 pieces 35. We need 4 pieces of E. 4 pieces of E. That's J and L, I guess. E is not here, probably upstairs. 20 pieces of K. It's K, okay. K is here. Okay, let's bring them all into the room. I found the 4 pieces of E. Okay, 4 pieces of E. Let's get started. First.
Daddy, I just fold.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
It's 35, 1 piece. You know what? 35 is a bit longer than spare. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Be careful. So I need to make sure I squeeze it. 35 is still longer. Alright.
What?
Yeah, 35 is a bit longer. Let's just put it here first.
Don't fold off.
And then 1 piece of 34. Oh, 34 is good. See, 34 is good. 35. See, 35 or longer than 34. That's interesting. 34. So 34 are perfect.
You cannot.
35 is perfect. This 35 is perfect.
Cannot.
35 and 2 pieces of 35. It's 2, 35. Last piece of 35. Okay.
I think this is perfect.
So basically, as you can see, okay, from the high end, right high end, first one, 35, 34, 35, 34, 35, 34, 2 35s, okay, 2 35s, another 34 and 35. So that's it. Okay, that's how you generally put them, okay. And then you put the legs under the 34s. Okay, let's put the leg on attaching the 34s first. E and leg, just E screw.
Yes. You're so funny. Are you just standing there? Why are you just standing there? Daddy, why are you standing there? Yummy, yummy.
This is, and then next one. The leg, actually, there's plastic pad at the bottom, so you can adjust to the height like this.
Painted blue.
Okay.
I want to paint it. Yeah, I can draw blue. I can draw blue. Daddy, I can draw blue.
Right, the last one.
Yeah.
Last one. Don't do that. My daughter want this letter to be blue and want us to paint it blue, but we haven't decided yet, so she can wait. She can wait to use her crayon pen to draw the blue on this bed. Okay. Legs here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they don't mark. They didn't mark the where we should nail So we don't have any marks here, so I need to do measurement so that they can distribute it evenly. Oh, yeah, I need to do measurements. I don't want to randomly.
You don't have any rollers.
Now only a few pieces left, so I decided to move them all into the room so that I can grab them easily. Okay, all these pieces, I move them to the room. All right, let's be organized. All right.
Is it two pieces?
Yeah, can you hold this bag to the room?
Okay.
Okay.
These?
Yeah, my daughter is helping me. Yes, please. Good job. Let's go.
Like two?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
are you okay?
Yeah.
Just be careful. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces of wood holding the mattress, but only 2 of them are a little bit too long. Look, that side it already reached that end, but as you can see, so that's a little bit too long. I might cut it off. I don't know. I might need to cut off a little bit. Or put them in the middle. I don't know. Let me try. Try this one. Yeah, maybe put them in the middle. I put the shoulder on the end. Yeah. Put this one here. Put this one here. Yeah, let's switch it up. Alright, that's it's even better, I guess. Okay, just like this. Okay, I put two longer pieces in the middle, so it's easier to explain the middle part, right? And then I will start to drill holes here. Okay. So I'm gonna start from here and drill this side, because here there's no place to hold this piece of wood. I'm gonna start here from here, drill from here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start from that piece. Item K. Okay, item K. Screw. All right. Item K. A little bit of space, so I'm gonna make sure this end have the same space. Okay. Go this way. And go. Okay. Just like this. That's the higher end, that's the lower end. I'm gonna do the same to this end. Okay. So inside. Okay. Same thing here. Okay, see. Alright. And then do the same. Make sure it's great. Okay. I I fixed, I'll make this piece fixed and two ends, this piece, or two feet, and then I'm gonna do measurement between these two pieces of wood so that I can do the calculations to make sure the space are even, okay? So let's measure. Okay. So do this and go there between these two pieces. It's about 68 inches. 68 inches. You need to put a 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces of wood and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spaces. Okay. Let me do the calculation. One piece of wood. It's about a little bit more than 2 inches. I did the math. So between these two pieces, this piece and this piece, I need to put 8 pieces of this little wood and 9 spaces. One piece of wood is about 2.2 inches, and each space I need to take about 5.6 inches. So let's get started. 5.6. This first piece. .6. 5.6, a little bit, okay. And then, all right, let's get started. Oh, pretty and beautiful. A little bit. So the same thing here. .6. It's about here. Okay. 5.6. 5.6. This again. About like that. Okay, 5.6. All right. Let's go. About that. About that. Okay, 5.6. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna start. Let's do it. 5.6. Yeah. Here. Here. Two more. Exactly 20 pieces. Okay. This is a longer piece. Okay. Alright, last piece. Okay, I don't need to do any measurement. I just look at it by eyes. Put them in the middle of the two pieces of it. So, let's do this. Do a little bit adjustment. So. Make sure. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight. You can adjust the ball in the pad, so the plastic pad, so that it's high enough. I finished the step 22. Step 23 or fourth frame at the end. I guess so. You have frame here. Alright, step 23. I need two pieces of 22, item 22. As you can see, these two are item 22s. And item 21 is here. 6 pieces of item A. 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 pieces of item A. Can you see this hole by the edge? There are 6 pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna put item A one by one. Okay, and this one. 6 item A. So can you see these? So for item 22, okay, this is a piece of item 22. There are 2 faces that have holes on them. This face has 2 holes. Seems like not for item A. So 5 holes on the other face. 3 bigger, the other 2 are smaller. You can put the 3 face down. Okay, just like this. Okay, the same thing. Okay, 5 holes down, 2 holes up. All right. I'm gonna put eyes here. Fix these 2 pieces. Okay, fix them. 4 pieces eye. Let's find eye. 4 pieces. Eye should be longer. Look, I guess eye is longer. Eye. 4 pieces of eye. It's all right. Put them here, 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 and here. Alright, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Step 4, I need to find item 20 and item 21. 2 pieces of A. So that's item 20 here. Okay. 2 pieces of A. 2 more pieces of A. Yes. 2 more pieces of A. Piece of A. And then put them here. 2 more pieces of A. And put item 20 like this. Okay. As you can see, there are 2 holes here. Just right for that 2 A's. Okay, 2 holes here. And just put it in. Almost perfect, okay. Almost perfect. It's not stable. I just don't touch it. Just put it here. Okay. One piece of O and 2 pieces of M. All right, let's go.